Hey folks, it's another beautiful day in Glacier National Park, and this is our second day here. We're currently on Route 3, which is between St. Mary and Babb here in Montana. Now to the left of me is Lake Sherburne, which is one of many lakes in this area, and some of those lakes you can only hike to see. Now some of this road was actually gravel, and if I remember correctly, it was 3 miles of gravel. So I wasn't expecting that, and just keep that in mind if you're coming out this way, that there still might be gravel. Hopefully it's cleaned up by then, but you never know. But it will return back to pavement just like you're seeing here. So besides the beautiful views, we're on this road making our way to the Many Glacier region, where the Many Glacier Hotel is located. We're going to take a couple boat rides on 2 different lakes and a short hiking trip between the 2. Now I've read that the Many Glacier region is called Switzerland of North America, and after seeing this hotel, it is literally like a Swiss hotel, just the outside, the architecture, and obviously the employees are dressed to fit that description as well. Look at those Rockies, and they're just stunning. I don't feel like this video does it justice. But if you go past the hotel, there is a Many Glaciers campground. So if you want a tent camp, RV, it's all there. And just up ahead, we'll be turning left into the Many Glacier Hotel here. And to the right is the Swift Current Lake. So the dock for the lake is right behind the hotel, and you can buy tickets there, or you can buy them ahead of time on a website, which I'll put a link in the description, so you can get the pricing. So take a look, just coming up and look at some of the architecture that I was talking about there on the left, and more so on the right. So beautiful. Waking up in the morning and seeing this view, the lake, the mountains, the glaciers. Gorgeous inside. Our first boat is Chief Two Guns. Going for a boat ride, Swift Current Lake. We are. There's Miss Brenda. There's Dan. He's still asleep. Swift Current Lake is absolutely gorgeous. The fastest disappearing Grinnell Glacier is one of the several glaciers and snowfields that provide water for the streams that replenish the lake. You'll also find Mount Gold, Grinnell Point, and Mount Wilbur, which are the largest mountains immediately west of the lake. Check out this view of the hotel from the water. Here's the trail from Swift Current Lake to Lake Josephine. It's approximately 0.2 miles, so not very far, and it's a pretty easy hike. Here is Lake Josephine, and we are getting on the Morning Eagle boat. Check out the views from Lake Josephine. After making it to the dock, we realized we were the only ones not going hiking, which was pretty nice on the way back. We just got to have the boats to ourselves, hang out with the captain, ask a few questions. But in this area, there's a lot of trails. To name a few, you have Grinnell Glacier Trail, Pigeon Pass Trail, and the North and South Josephine Lake Trails. Also, keep in mind there's a lot of grizzly bear activity in this area, so bring some bear spray. Sometimes I have to get off two wheels and do some exploring by foot, or in this case, by boat. We are making our way back to the Many Glaciers Hotel, and I just want to take a moment and say thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and always rip the ride.